Hi, I'm Sean McNary, and I am September's Student of the Month. I come from East Texas, small town, Omaha, Texas to be exact. My grandma raised me pretty much all my life. As far as my relationship with my parents, my father, I remember always wanting to be around him and stuff like that. But mom's always been there, you know, even when she was in the city, she was always come see me, always call me, she was always a part of my life. Me and my mom, we real good relationship, but my father, not so much.
Tell me about your kids.
It's just, I don't know how to put them in words. I had to sacrifice a lot for my babies. Man, a lot of people, I guess you could say, think I'm foolish for it, but not me. I feel like in the end, it's worth being there for them no matter what my outcome is, you know. To be honest, I still got a lot of bad influences in my life, but it's contrary to the way that God want me to live. And I think that's a part of my journey. I don't think it's gonna be easy, but I'm doing good. I remember, reciting Bone Thugs and Harmony music before I even started my own craft. So I mean, it's always been in me, music. I distinctly remember a couple of my teachers back in East Texas, they used to always listen to Shania Twain. So I mean, I got in tune with country music and everything. I mean, I liked it. I really liked certain songs from those genres. And my main passion is music, you know? And that's what led me to where I'm at today. Yeah, I was involved with a company called Hood Boy Entertainment. I was an artist. You know, things went sour and I had all this equipment. And like I said, I didn't know what to do with it. I got to looking up places to go to school, and then I came across MediaTech. So I came up here and did the tour. So the big boys in there, to see it, to be in the same room as it just did something else to me. I said, I gotta get in here. Oh man, it was terrific. Ended up getting valedictorian, man. My mom was so proud of me, and my grandma, you know, my kids, they were so proud of me. They helped me out a lot, man. They keep me motivated. So I owe a lot of that to them. My teachers, man, from the Garrett's to Tim Kimsey. Tim Kimsey is the reason why I ended up coming to the film program. He has a post-production class where you strip, I think, 90 seconds of a movie, where it's just straight visual, the picture, and you have to put all the Foley, the ADR, everything, you have to bring it back to life. You know, that's what initially just pushed me over to where I got to get in the film class. And I had to make a decision there. I decided, yeah, I want to do it. My love for film evolved from my enthusiasm trying to get into the music video portion of film without even knowing. And for the most part, I'm thinking movies, man. I want to do Christian films. All the knowledge that I've been learning here, I don't think I could have got it anywhere else. I really honestly don't.